Hi, this is Alex from devstories.eu. Power BI Fundamentals, Episode 8 of 14. The hardest part of report design is the tension between clarity and depth. You want a main page that looks clean and instantly tells the high-level story, but your power users demand every single granular data point. If you put everything on one page, it becomes unreadable. The way to resolve this is by hiding complexity just one interaction away using contextual deep dives. First, consider custom report page tooltips. By default, when a user hovers over a data point on a visual, Power BI shows a plain text box with the exact value of that point. That gives you a number, but it gives you no context. A report page tooltip lets you replace that default box with an entirely customized canvas. You build a tiny hidden report page and configure it to appear when a user hovers over a visual. Instead of a flat number, you can show a small trend line or a gauge chart right inside the hover window. Take a map visual showing total sales by city. When a user hovers their cursor over the data bubble for Seattle, a custom tooltip pops up. Inside that pop-up is a miniature bar chart breaking down Seattle's sales over the last 12 months. The user absorbs this extra layer of information instantly, and they never leave the main map page. Sometimes, a quick hover is not enough. When a user needs to run a full audit on a specific data point, you use a drill-through page. Drill-through is built for deep investigation. You create a completely separate, detailed report page and assign a specific field to it, like a geographic location or a product category. This tells Power BI that this page is a destination for drill-through actions. Return to that same map. The user hovers over Seattle, sees the monthly trend, but decides the numbers require a closer look. They right-click the Seattle bubble and select Drill-through. Power BI takes them away from the map and lands them on your detail page. Crucially, it passes their selection along. The new page is automatically filtered to show only data for Seattle. Now they are looking at a comprehensive table of raw invoice transactions. It's easy to blur the lines between these two features. Tooltips are custom hover boxes showing mini visuals without leaving the current page. They're meant for a quick glance. Drill-through takes the user to an entirely new detail page filtered precisely to their selection. It requires an explicit click and is meant for heavy analysis. Here is the key insight. You do not need to cram dense transaction tables next to your high-level executive summaries. Use tooltips to answer the immediate follow-up question and rely on drill-through pages to handle the heavy audits. Your main dashboard stays fast and uncluttered, while your users still access exactly the data they need. If you want to help support the show, you can search for devstories.eu on Patreon. It genuinely helps us out. Thanks for hanging out. Hope you picked up something new.